These wheels literally came all the way from Japan, and today we're finally seeing if they actually fit.
Yeah, one of the based. I keep saying based. What the fuck is wrong? One of the best tasting monsters I've had. I don't drink Monster. I'm more like a Red Bull kind of guy. Strawberry lemonade. It's American, so pop one for America. Oh, that's some good stuff. All right, we got a couple things to do before we head to the shop. One, the main one is pick up windshields. Those two jobs later on, and then we're gonna head over to Rick's shop. Test fit these things for the S2000. This is basically, I don't think I've shown the wheels yet, so I'm gonna be introducing the wheels today. These are from Japan, imported from Japan. Dope ass wheels. Let's get to it. Gas is $5.17.
And I might have to get some gas just because it's like I don't even need gas. I'm just gonna get it because it's so damn cheap right now.
Got to Rick's, I brought down the wheel and the headlight. This is the headlight. This is the wheel right here, you guys. This is the wheel. Let's open her up so y'all can see what this is looking like.
The wheel looks, it's matching pretty good. We just got one issue. The problem is we got to figure out what we're gonna do with this now. With all of this area. But right now, we'll go over this with Rick, see what we come up with, what's the game plan, and then kind of go from there. Whoa. Quick recap on what we're gonna do. I gotta button everything up together nice and tight now. Everything, fenders, bumpers, headlights. I gotta get the other headlight, button it up really nice and tight. This, we shaved this down to try to see what we can do, get an idea. We kind of think we know what the direction we want to head to. It feels like we're going backwards. We're not. We're going backwards to go forward. It's been a long day, and I got still a longer day ahead of me. I gotta go take care of 2 other windshields right now. I gotta head out. Then after that, I got the overnight shift. I'm tired, I'm drained. Let's just keep on going. Rick is gonna handle this right now, and I'll see what he comes up with. It's gonna be a mystery to me. So I'm gonna leave for right now. So this is it. See you later.